PlayStation Plus versus Extra versus Premium, which is better for you. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWes. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the comparison review between PlayStation Plus, Extra, and Premium. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So to create an account on PlayStation, you can use the link in the description, in which by using the links, you may also get some discounts or rewards upon sign up. So basically, PlayStation is a video gaming brand that includes home video game consoles, handhelds, a media center, a smartphone, and an online service, in which the PlayStation brand offers a wide range of gaming experiences, including immersive gaming, digital downloads, and exclusive game titles. And PlayStation offer different kind of plan, including Plus, Extra, and also a Premium plan. Now let's start by knowing the PlayStation Plus. So PlayStation Plus is a subscription service specifically designed for PlayStation users, offering a range of features and advantages, in which it offers or consists of 3 tiers, including Essential, Extra, and Premium, in which the Essential provides online multiplayer capabilities, monthly game offerings, exclusive content, special discounts, cloud storage options, and the ability to enjoy share play. And aside from that, PlayStation Plus is widely recognized as a brand with a history in gaming services. Now moving on to the PlayStation Plus Premium overview. It is the tier and pricier option of the PlayStation Plus subscription service, in which it offers all the benefits from extra tiers, along with access to collection of games from PS3, PS2, PS1, and PSP. And additionally, subscribers get to enjoy time-limited game trials and the ability to stream games from PS1, PS3, and PSP, or even on PC, in which this tier is specifically tailored for users who wish to delve into Sony's library of games and indulge in a diverse range of gaming experience. Now moving on to the PlayStation Plus Extra overview. It is an upgrade version of the PlayStation Plus subscription service that provides all the benefits of the tier. It also grants access to a collection around 400 PS4 and PS5 games. And this option is ideal for those who want to enjoy a selection of games on both consoles, in which the games available in this collection can be. It is also expected to include up to 400 titles for both PS5 and PS4. Moreover, subscribers to this tier can take advantage of discounts, cloud storage, and online multiplayer features. And speaking of features, let's now compare some of the features of the 3 tiers that offer. Starting from PlayStation Plus, it offers core features regardless of the plan you choose. You'll enjoy the benefits like online multiplayer, gaming, monthly game release, and exclusive discounts on games. And aside from that, they also offer extensive game catalog, in which if you opt for the premium plan, you'll gain access to a library of downloadable games compatible with both PS4 and PS5 consoles. And it also offers classic games collection, game trials, cloud streaming option that you can take advantage to stream games directly on your PS5 console, PS4 console, or even your PC for added convenience. Now moving on to the feature that offered by the premium plan of PlayStation Plus. It provides access to a vast catalog of hundreds of PS1, PS2, PS3, and PSP games that you can either stream or download. And these games include titles like Final Fantasy VII, Metal Gear Solid, Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, along with others. And additionally, it grants you the opportunity to try out the game trials, where you can experience a portion of game before making a purchase decision. And this tier is perfect for delving into Sony's catalog and experimenting with new games before committing to buying them. And below here, it will show you some of the things of feature that included on PlayStation Plus Premium, such as game catalog, monthly games, exclusive discounts, cloud storage, game help, and many more. Now moving on to the feature that offered by PlayStation Plus Extra. It offers access to up to 400 downloadable games for PS4 and PS5, and also it offers monthly games, online multiplayer, exclusive discounts on digital release, cloud streaming of select titles to PlayStation consoles and PCs, and also cloud save storage for game progress. And some notable titles in this collection include Death Stranding, God of War Marvel's Spider-Man, Mortal Kombat 11, and Returnal. And this tier is ideal if you want a library of games without much emphasis on classic titles. And now moving on to the pricing plan that PlayStation Plus, Extra, and Premium offer, starting from PlayStation Plus or PlayStation Plus Essential, it offers a price at $10 per month, $25 per quarter, or $80 per year. Now moving on to the pricing plan of PlayStation Plus Premium is that this is the price option with the rate sets at $17.99 per month and $49.99 per quarter, and for 12-month subscription amounting to $159.99 US dollar, in which you need to pay every 12-month subscription needs to continuous until cancelled. Now moving on to the pricing plan that offer by PlayStation Plus Extra, the cost for this tier is $15 per month or $40 per quarter or $135 per year for 12-month subscription. And now that we're done on the pricing plan that those tiers offer, let's now move on to the pros and cons of using PlayStation Plus, Extra, and also Premium. Now let's start to the pros and cons of PlayStation Plus. So the advantages of it, or the pros, is that you can enjoy playing games with friends, receive game offerings, access exclusive content, and discount, store your game progress in the cloud, and even play together remotely through your SharePlay. However, the cons of using it is that it does not provide access to a range of PS4 and PS5 games, or the nostalgic classics from PS3, PS2, PS1, and PSP. Now moving on to the pros and cons of using PlayStation Plus Premium. The pros or advantages of it is that you can experience all the benefits provided by the Essential and Extra tiers, and additionally, it immerses yourself in a library of classics from PS3, PS2, and PS1, and you can try out time-limited game trials for free before deciding on a purchase. And for added convenience, stream your titles from PlayStation's rich history directly to your PS4 or PS5 or even to your PC. While the cons of using this tier, it may not be suitable for all users who may not have interest in classic games or utilize cloud streaming capabilities. Now moving on to the pros and cons of using PlayStation Plus Extra. The advantages of it, or pros, is that you can embrace all the perks offered with the tier while also gaining access to a catalog of up to 400 exciting PS4 and PS5 games. While the cons of using this PlayStation Plus Extra is that, yet it is important to note that classic titles from PS3, PS2, and PS1 are not available in this tier. But the question is, who should choose this PlayStation Plus Essential, Extra, and Premium? Starting from this PlayStation Plus Essential, also known as PlayStation Plus, this tier is great for gamers who simply want to play multiplayer games, receive discount on the PlayStation Store, and have access to a collection of free games every month. It is also the budget option available. On the other hand, who should choose PlayStation Plus Premium? Well, it is designed specifically for gamers seeking a deeper dive into Sony's extensive game library. This tier offers access to hundreds of PS1, PS2, PS3, and PSP games that can be streamed or downloaded. But who should choose PlayStation Plus Extra? Well, this tier caters to avid gamers who crave an extensive selection of up to 400 of the most enjoyable PS4 and PS5 games that they can download and enjoy. And now to conclude, I can say that choosing the plan depends on your gaming preferences and requirements, and you have the ability to switch between plans or cancel at any time. And the decision of which tier to select relies on your preferences and requirements. So that is just a comparison review between PlayStation Plus versus Extra versus Premium. Thank you.